The last part is some troubleshooting after we finish the installation. In the actual installation process of CCTV, especially for the front-end device, some problems may be caused by various mistakes. Let's take a look at the common problems and how we can solve them. Let's see some troubleshooting first. So first, for the speed dome installation, the installation position is not reliable, resulting in blurred images. Like shows in figure 1, we can barely see the object, right? So if there is no waterproof treatment at the wiring, it will cause the mixed electricity and the wiring point to cover, and the signal is poor. If the original output cable of the device has been removed, which will result in a decrease in waterproof performance. It may happen that the infrared camera blurs at night, just like two scenes shows down here. The possible reason is that the sponge isolation ring inside the dome was not properly adjusted, resulting in light bleeding. The solution will be to remove the glass plate with the outer shield or remove the shield, and then adjust internal sponge isolation. Or avoid wall or glass surface with strong near-range infrared reflection. Another problem will be happening for high-power cameras. That these kinds of cameras may happen that restarts repeatedly and fails to start after being powered on. The possible reasons will be like the input power is too low, so the camera cannot work properly. The power supply line is too far and the wire diameter is too thin. Multiple cameras share one power adapter. The solution can be ensure that the input voltage is stable. Use a power adapter that is larger than the camera power. Use a wire with a thick diameter. And there might also be some power supply interference. So there are a few steps for you to test power supply problems, like measure the main voltage and check whether it is stable. Then measure the output voltage of the adapter and check the output of the adapter. The power cable is too thin and the transmission distance is too far, and the cable voltage reduction is too large, which means it can provide lower power than you expected, right? Some power is wasted on the transmission. So when the load is working, check whether the voltage here meets the minimum voltage requirement of this device. So these are all contents for today's course. Let's have a quick review together. So in the first chapter, we have learned some basic knowledge of wiring, right? Like the type of the network cable, how to make an RJ45 connector, and then we knew some device installation requirements in chapter 2, like selection of installation location and scenarios, and lightning protection and cables waterproof. At last, we just learned some troubleshooting if we do something wrong during the installation, right? So thank you for your listening and hope we can meet again.